Hi, in this video, I'm going to explain about linear regression. For that, we are going to import some libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib. And then we are going for read CSV, we are going to load data set, CSV file, and then into data frames. And then find the missing values. We are going to choose X and Y. X is an input and Y as output. Choose independent variable and dependent variable. Independent variable is X and dependent variable is Y, and then we are using data frame to find the values. Compute B naught and B1 using the formula and display the same. For that we are using find f B1 slope and intercept B naught using linear regression formula. Equation y pred is equal to B naught plus B1 star x. Formulate the equation for y pred and calculate y pred. Uh, this is the equation for this is the linear equation to find the y pred and calculate the y pred. Calculate the SSE, sum of squared error value. For this, we are using formula NP dot sum of y minus y pred into 2. To calculate root mean square error, there is a formula NP dot square root of SSE by length of y. To calculate the R square, NP dot sum of y minus y of mean square. And then plot regression line along with the given data point. For this, we are using plot scatter of actual data. And this side is X. This is X value for this is Y label for quality, and this is X label for alcohol. The dots are for actual data, and the red line is for regression line. Predict the Y for any X value. For this, we are using prediction B naught plus B1 into given of X. This is to find the equation to predict quality. And then multiple linear regression. For multiple linear regression, we are going to load the data set to find the missing values. And then choose independent variable and dependent variable. In multiple linear regression, there are two independent variable and one dependent variable. Compute the y-intercept and independent variable coefficient using the formula is used to calculate coefficients like column to find the column coefficient B naught and B1. Formulate the equation for y pred and calculate y pred. For calculate SSE, we are using formulas of sum of squared error. Predict the y for any given x1 and x2. Predicted value equal to b0 plus b1 star x1 value plus b2 into x2 of value. And then logistic regression. For logistic regression, same we are going to upload the data set, CSV file, and then missing values. Find the null value and missing value. Choose independent variable x1, x2. Here, independent variable is more than 2 or 3 and dependent variable is exactly 1. Calculate the cost or error, reduce cost or error using gradient descent rate. Use sigmoid function to get probability. Train the weights for and bias using gradient descent to reduce some errors. And then plot iteration with cost. Track cost over iteration and plot the curve. Um, this is to find the cost reduction via gradient descent. Find the accuracy of the model. Convert probability and it is greater than or equal to 0.5. If it is greater than or equal to 0.5, it is 1, else it brings 0. Compare the actual label to get accuracy. Thank you.